Hey guys, welcome to Antonio the Realtor. Today we're going to do a property tour on 3606 53rd Court in Cicero. 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, Raised Ranch. Really nice place. So let's go take a look and get the property tour started. Here we go. All right, everybody. Let the house tour begin. So we are in a Raised Ranch. If you can remember, we're 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, but right when you walk inside, here is your profile. So looks good. The paint is new. Paint is fresh. Even like the ceiling paint looks good. You know, whoever comes in here, if you wanted to put in can lights, you know, or sky lighting, track lighting, that would be, you know, it would be nice because you would have more light at night, right? But here is what it looks like from this side. So the living room is a really nice size. There's no living room, dining room area, just literally the living room. So you come in here, you have your couches maybe up against the wall over here, like this. And then maybe your television is on that wall, you know? Or, you know, let me know what you would do actually. That would be really interesting to find out. Let me know in the comments. There's your heating source right there, okay? So floor vents. Now right off the bedroom, right off the living room is the bedroom, one of the first bedrooms. And yes, they have LED lighting. That floor does continue into the bedroom. Again, heat source, window. Here is your closet. Okay. Here's your closet space. And in Cicero, I do know that when the inspection's done, they'll make you get rid of the pull string in Cicero. Cicero's funny like that. They don't like pull strings, but you know, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You're gonna change the pull strings, that's what you're gonna do. So, looks good. Nice size bedroom. You could put a full size bed in here. Would be good. Now we're gonna head over to the other half of the house. We'll turn this way. Here is your kitchen. Now, I like the kitchen, I'm sorry, the bathroom, right? Kind of realtor, am I right? Here is the bathroom. You do have closet space right here, little towel closet. That looks good. All right. And then it looks like they had somebody in here that needed the bar to get out of the shower, which is fine. That can come out easily. But if you leave it alone, you just be that much more secure that you're not going to fall in the shower. But yeah, this looks good. Very nice. Now the sink looks like it's new. Toilet, I mean, I don't know if it's new or not, but the newest thing in here right now is going to be that sink. The bathroom's painted white, and it's clean. It's clean. If there's anything that I say that you should just be able to ask for as a homeowner, is that the house that you're buying is actually decently clean. You know, so the floor continues in here. That wood panel flooring, vinyl flooring, I'm sorry, continues in here. There is your closet, so you do have a closet. Again, there is your heat source. You are good. Now, here's the kitchen. Before we go in the kitchen, we're gonna run into bedroom number 3 really quick. Bedroom number 3, not bad, I like it. I do like the fan. And then there is, right at the back of the house, we can see the outside. There's a deck, 2-car garage with that garage door right there. This does need to get repaired. If you take that to a place like Ace Hardware, I think for like $80, they'll repair the glass for you. It's easy to repair, believe it or not, if you've never done it before. And as a matter of fact, I'll tell you what they'll do. Check this out real quick as a tidbit. For these older style windows, what ends up happening is you have to take them off the frame. And then right here, there is a putty that is put along here from the other side. And they have these little tiny metal pieces that push into the putty, keeping the window from moving forward. So you take off the old putty, you stick in those pieces, put the new glass on top, and then those little metal divots go like this all around the window, all around the window. The putty is applied like Play-Doh. It dries, and bada bing, bada boom, you got yourself a new window. And they sell kits like that at Ace Hardware. I think the brand is called DAP, D-A-P, but take a look. Let me know if you do that in the comments. Hey guys, really quick, if you haven't subscribed yet, do me a favor. As of right now, I'm not at 1,000 subscribers. I do property tours all over Illinois, all over Indiana. So if you guys like the videos, do me a favor, subscribe. And I am also a buyers and listing specialist. I'm in and out of properties all the time, always navigating through first-time home buyer grants and investments. So if you want my information, it's in the link in the bio. But hey, let's get back to this video. Here's the kitchen. Okay, it's an eat-in kitchen, so you have a nice little space over there. It would be nice to get rid of this lip right here so that you could actually, sit here and enjoy this, but for what it is, it's cool. Come back here. There's your kitchen. Kitchen looks good. Cabinets and the countertop, of course, they're not new. This isn't a rehab, but they're in good condition. Okay, there you go. There's your cabinet space. Okay, here is your sink. I always like water pressure. Okay, very cool. And then check this out, everybody. When was the last time you saw one of these? Look at that. Give me a like the video for that, at least, to put in the comments if you guys had one of those. What color was it? I actually would like to know what color it was. There is something missing in the kitchen, if you haven't noticed, and that is going to be the stove. So if this house did go under contract, and you would want to see if you can test the gas, you would have to get a stove in here in order to do that. So there's a closet right here, not a closet, like a little pantry right here. Or you keep your, I don't know, what would I put in here? Maybe the spices can go in there, and then maybe like a first aid kit. I don't know. We'll see. Now this is the door to the basement, because there is a basement. We'll go down there right now. But first, let's just get a quick look at the deck. The deck actually looks really good. I would even say it's probably on the newer side, if not new. It does need to be stained, weather sealed, if it hasn't been already, but it looks nice. So that is a benefit. So we're going downstairs. Okay, so right when you come downstairs, you can go left, you can go right, or you can go straight. We will go left. This is an area like a little tool room, right? Your electrical panel is here. And from the look of things, that electrical panel looks like it's in fair condition, right? There you go. And the nice thing is, whenever you see electrical panels, when there's additional slots available, that's actually a really good sign, because then you know that if you wanted to ever upgrade, you have slots available for an upgrade. Now coming this way, there is a lot of space. This room is probably bigger than the bedrooms upstairs, the way that this has been partitioned. So it is a decent amount of room down here. If I come across, you're in the laundry room, aka the mechanical room, and as you can see, the way this has been partitioned, you have a lot of storage space back here. So if I come back here, this is really nice. This is cool. You can see your ductwork right here, and then on this side over here, you have, I believe, to be your water meter behind, but it's too dark to see that, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, so we're gonna walk this way. Here are your vents. Got an area here to put, your knickknacks, whatever you got to put there. Christmas storage, like people would say. Okay, and you always want to make sure that whenever you're buying a property, you get these things serviced. Make sure they're in good working order. And then, very common in Cicero Berwyn, you see these sinks, and then these water lines right here usually get sent off over to a washer and dryer. And as you can see over here, this vent they had, this is where they had their dryer, which is cool. And there is a sump pump down here. The sump pump gets pumped out, water is sent into the sewer system, and it's gone. Shout out to old phones. Here's a rotary phone. Look at that. Again, let me know in the comments what color yours was. My mom and dad had one, and theirs was like a teal green, right? So now here is the basement. Plenty of light in the basement. You have somewhat of a bar over here. I'm assuming this was pushed out a little bit further. So we will walk into the basement. Fireplace right here. Okay. Actually, it's a faux fireplace. Okay, so not real fireplace, but they did their thing here. They tricked me, right? I'll come all the way over here in the corner, take a step back so you guys can see what we have going on over here. Just like that. And that's it, guys. If you guys want to see more videos in Cicero, there should be Cicero videos over here. And then all my other property tours are on this site. So if you enjoyed it, thanks a lot. Let me know what you think about the property, and we'll see you at the next house.